All right, we're going to find what the probabilities are that a random piece of candy will weigh between two different weights. So the smallest of the weight is 0.765. That's going to be roughly here. And the greater weight is 0.785. That's going to be a little bit over the mean. Let's go ahead and make an estimate. That's why we teach you the graph, because it can all be done with the graph. So there's the high point. There's the low point. It looks like right around the 34% of what the empirical rule says. So I'm going to say the answer is somewhere around 34%. Let's go ahead and figure this out in Excel. First thing you do is you pick a cell, any cell, go to the function bar. You're going to go to norm dist again. Click OK. Now when you're doing an interval like this with two different numbers, always do the biggest one first. It's going to give you the greater area. Then you're going to do the smaller one and subtract it out, and that's going to give you the difference in between them. So the bigger number is 0.785, and then everything else is the same. The mean is 0.781. Standard deviation is 0.026, and we do want a cumulative. All right, that is not your answer. That would be the probability that a piece of candy would weigh less than 0.785. What you have to do is go back up to the formula bar, highlight everything except for the equal sign, hit Control-C, go back up to the formula bar, click outside the last parentheses, hit the subtraction, Control-V, that's going to paste the exact same data back in there. But now let's change the random variable from 0.785 to whatever the smaller one was, and that was 0.765. See how easy that is? Click OK, hit enter. There's your answer. So you have a 29.20% chance of pulling out a random piece of candy between those two values. That's it. MGZ out.